At least hindi magkakaroon ng ibang ng negative thinking na ano, at least nandun si Kay to support you.
Yes, yes, yes.
Kasi yun yung
of the rumors na
oo.
wala na kayo daw weekend.
Well, rumors are rumors, di ba? I mean, kung ano man siya, then let it be.
But how do you feel na gano'n na nga? Kasi although wala pa talaga umaamin sa inyo, wala pa man talaga outright sinasabi na kami.
Mm.
Then all of a sudden ngayon, very matagal eh. Ilang months na nililitin na hiwalay na.
I don't really have anything to say kasi I don't really entertain those kind of vibes. Eh. Diba? Wala naman kasi walang patutunguhan yung mga ganyang unwanted comments.
So to clear this issue, ano talaga ang status niya ngayon?
I don't know. It's still the same. It's yun pa rin.
Mahal mo pa rin siya the way na minahal mo siya dati.
It's still the same. It's nothing. Kung ano man yung mga pinagsasabi ng tao, then let it be. If that's their belief, then okay, that's their
So
belief.
parang yung assurance ni Kim na pupunta siya doon sa concert, it means na wala talagang problema.
Wala naman kasi talaga. I mean, we're not the type to have a value. We're not, hindi naman kami ganun eh. We're not that kind to be scandalous about anything. Wala kaming ganun.
Dati